Everyone, in this video we are going to talk about spiral and agile model. We'll also have a look how these two models are different from each other. The spiral model is an example of iterative development. A typical iteration will be somewhere between 6 months and 2 years and will include all aspects of the life cycle. That is the requirement analysis, risk analysis, planning, design and architecture, and then a release of either a prototype or a working software. These steps are repeated until the project is either ended or finished. Agile development, on the other hand, it includes a number of different methods with specific guidance as to the steps to take to produce a software project, such as extreme programming, Scrum, and Persevere. The commonality between all the agile methods is that they are iterative and incremental. The iteration in the agile methods are typically shorter, that is, between 2 to 4 weeks in most cases. And each iteration, it ends with a working software. However, unlike the spiral model, the software produced isn't a prototype. It is always a high quality code that is expanded into the final product. The requirements at the start of the project is meant to be just barely enough to get going and are meant to be fleshed out just shortly before they get actually implemented. Changes to the requirements are welcome. Also, there is much more to the agile than just doing iterative development. A focus on face-to-face conversation instead of written communication, a focus on bringing business people and technical people together in their day-to-day work, a focus on collaboratively maximizing value instead of defining and then fulfilling a contract. So this was a brief overview about agile and spiral model. Do let me know about your feedback in comment section.